Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Search Console with Google AdWords. So Google Search Console is typically used for SEO purposes, but as a PPC manager, you can import data from Google Search Console to AdWords, and that can provide you with some really valuable information. You can bridge SEO and PPC, you can gain new keyword ideas, and you can measure your paid efforts against your organic performance. First, I'm going to show you how to link Google Search Console to your AdWords account. So log into your AdWords account and then go to your Setup Linked Accounts. You can find that up here on the right. Setup Linked Accounts. On this page, you can see all the different platforms that you can integrate with AdWords. We are looking for Google Search Console, which is all the way at the bottom here. So click on Details, and then if your AdWords account has not been linked to a Search Console profile yet, AdWords will prompt you to do so. So you want to click on Link. Then enter the URL of this AdWords account's website. So in my case, I'm going to use my blog's URL as an example. And don't type in the HTTP or HTTPS. Then click on Continue. So the email address that I'm using to log into AdWords already has access to the corresponding Search Console profile that I just linked. So there were no problems, and it's linked. If the email you're using to log into AdWords doesn't have access to the Search Console profile yet, it's no problem. Google will prompt you to verify or to claim that profile in Search Console. So there will be a link here that will take you to Search Console in a new tab or a new window, and there you will have various methods of validating your access. Next, I'm going to show you where you can find the imported data from Search Console within AdWords. So log into your AdWords account, then click on your reporting, go to Predefined Reports, Basic, Paid and Organic. I recommend that you set your time frame here in the top right to the last 3 months, so that way you can see the most available data. If you set a longer time frame, you will not gain any more information because Google Search Console only provides information on keywords for the last 90 days. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to select approximately the last 3 months. And now the column you want to focus on is typically the second column here, search result type. This shows you, for any particular search term here, whether it has triggered an AdWords ad, whether it only showed your website as an organic result, or if it showed an ad as well as your website as an organic result. So click on the small little filter icon here, and then select Organic Shown Only. Hit apply, and this is where it gets exciting because now you will see only search terms that have triggered an organic result for your website, but not an ad. So this means this entire report here is now full of new keyword ideas for your paid campaigns. So you can go through the entire report, you can export it. What I also recommend is paying attention to the columns all the way at the back here. It has organic clicks, organic queries, so that shows us how often a specific search term triggered an organic result or click. Just note down any relevant search terms you see in this report, then check how you're performing for these organically in these columns back here. And then if you're already doing well for a search term organically, there may be no need to include it in your paid search campaigns. But if the report suggests that there's a low visibility for certain organic terms, you want to consider covering them in AdWords. You can try out new keywords that you find in this report in various ways, so you can create new ad groups for thematically similar keywords in already existing campaigns. You can use a dedicated testing campaign, which only contains ad groups for new keywords. Or you can add new keywords to existing ad groups that are already covering related themes. If you're adding new keywords to already existing campaigns and ad groups, make sure that you're using labels, because then you can identify and find these new keywords quite easily within your account. So I hope this was helpful, and if you've got any comments or questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.